Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and an edited version of this bodycam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our YouTube channel membership. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of their actions and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
I just need your information, and you're on your way, okay?
I actually don't have my ID on me.
I know, so I'm going to take your name. I have to give you a ticket. Right now you're being detained. It'll just be a few minutes, okay? It's for the open
I actually
container.
don't have my ID on me.
So yeah, I'm just going to get your name. And then you're on your way. You're not free to leave.
I'm not drinking that.
I know, but you had it in your hands.
I'm holding it for my mom. I'm actually
Okay,
bringing
let
it
me
to her
explain
down
the
that
ordinance.
way.
You are not allowed to possess an open container.
Around 12:24 a.m. on June 22, 2025, Officer Anthony Bongiorno with the Sea Isle City Police Department, a female, with an open container of Surfside Pink Lemonade in the vicinity of 40th Street and Landis Avenue. He initiated contact with her and asked for her identification so that he could issue a ticket. The female claimed that she did not have her identification with her, so he asked her for her name and date of birth. He told her that she would just be issued a citation for having an open container, Ordinance 36.8, and be on her way.
Public and see how safe.
Okay, I didn't know that.
So you are going to receive a ticket, and you're on your way.
Okay.
So give this officer your name, and we'll write you a ticket, and then you're on your way. It'll just be a few minutes. You want to write this one? I'll just take your name. Yeah, I can write it. Oops, sorry. Just get her name. First name?
Megan. Oh, 22. Oh, 5.
Do you want it or do you want me to read it? You got your book out, go ahead.
1015 Michigan County.
Will you slow your radio?
Denver County.
I'll be out there. What's going on, man? How you doing? Chill.
She claimed that her name was Megan Lupo and that her date of birth was May 22, 2001. Officer Shukovsky confirmed this information with the female before running it through county dispatch. He was eventually advised by dispatch that they were unable to find anyone by the name of Megan Lupo who was born on May 22, 2001. At this time, she began to offer conflicting information by stating that she was actually 18, before later saying that she was 20.
What?
The state you live in?
Pennsylvania.
Okay. Do you have a middle initial?
J.
J. This is your real name?
Yeah. Nudes.
Well, you'd be surprised.
Really?
Oh, yeah. A lot of people get a state.
Sorry, I didn't mean to laugh.
No. Like,
Could you look up my name?
I like actually thought you
were
guys
you
were
in
kidding. What?
nah, unfortunately, this is our job. Were you in OD?
What?
Were you in OD?
No, I was literally walking to the store.
I was gonna
I
say.
was actually carrying that for my mom. I wasn't even drinking it.
Well, whoever would have been carrying it would have gotten the ticket. So
I didn't realize that wasn't
that's okay.
legal here.
It's not.
I go to school in Louisiana,
big deal.
and open container law there. Didn't realize. My apologies.
It's all good. Okay. Now I'm gonna write you a ticket, and then you're on your way.
Okay.
It's this long. It might take a little bit. There's a lot of boxes to fill out. Just give us 5 minutes. You'll be on your way.
Sorry, guys.
It's all good.
No, I'm actually, like, I actually am sorry. I go to school in Louisiana.
Don't worry about it.
And
Thank you for doing your service, sir. Thank you. Have a good night, man. Thank you for doing your service.
Is he serious?
All right.
No, I'm so serious. Like, open container law is not a thing there.
It is here. It's a city ordinance.
Well, it's not, like, I didn't realize. I'm so sorry.
We hear that a lot, especially from Pennsylvania.
No, I really am so sorry. I go to school in
It's
Louisiana.
all good.
Like,
It's not a big deal. Trust me. What's your home address? Since you don't have your ID, you're going to like tell me all your information.
do you want me to write it?
No. Just tell it to me.
What are you asking for?
Your home address for the ticket.
Yeah, she sits in a lot.
You've never worn a design shirt in your life.
What?
Pattern shirt. That's me. Just kidding. Love you.
See, you're not the only one.
My boys!
You're not the only one.
What happened? What happened? You switched corners? Come on.
Bro.
You got hurt too?
Literally
No
just,
way.
it's not your
dude.
fault. It's not
No open containers here in
just
Louisiana.
run.
Do you know what?
Tell her to
no,
run.
do you know what? I go to school in Louisiana. Open containers are allowed. I didn't fucking know.
Oh, give him exercise, run. Just dip right
Did you
now.
know? No, that's not right. But did you
Dip
know?
out.
Did you
Run.
know? Listen to me. Did you know? If you fucking go to Louisiana, they allow open containers.
Yeah, we're
I'm
there.
serious. I fucking live there.
What's your date of birth?
I just got a ticket too.
Her date of birth.
I gotta finish writing this.
Her date of birth
Have
is
a good night, guys.
1890.
Bye, girl.
1890,
September 11th.
apparently.
Just give me a few more minutes of getting there. Your
You're
email
fine.
address for the court.
My email address?
And your license is out of Pennsylvania? Your
Yeah.
ID?
I'm really sorry, sir, to put you through this. I really didn't know.
We have a
No,
zero tolerance.
I really didn't know. Cause like I go to school in Louisiana and they have like a complete open container is allowed rule.
You're not putting us through anything.
So like I didn't know.
How'd you get into the bar without an ID there?
I wasn't
She didn't
in
come from
there.
the bar. Oh, you didn't come from she
No,
didn't
no,
have
no.
shoes
I
on.
was literally walking from my house to Wawa.
I was gonna say, were you in a bar without
I
shoes?
didn't know that open container wasn't allowed because I go to school down south in Louisiana and they allow open containers. Like I didn't know.
County. 10-15-68. Not finding a deal under that name.
What?
Is that not your name?
What?
Let me see. Stand up. What's your name?
Emily?
You said Megan. Yeah, why'd you lie?
No, I didn't. I said I was carrying a container for my mom, Megan.
No, you didn't say that. You said your name was Megan. Yeah, but we're
No,
asking
no,
for
no,
your
no.
name.
So
What?
she said her
Asking
name
for-
was Megan at first, and now she's Emily.
No, no, no. My mom's name is Megan. You
But
said
we
what do
asked you for your information.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, what
I
is your
didn't
information?
understand that. My mom's name is Megan. My information is
The
Emily.
drink was in your hand. That's why we're asking for your information.
Oh, okay. Do you want to change it?
So, do you live at the same address?
Yeah, yeah. We live together. I still live with my parents.
So, why would you give your mom's information?
Because
I'm-
I
I'm
thought you were
dealing with you.
asking. I thought you
No,
were
this
asking for the
ticket is
drinks
for you.
Oh, that's fine.
Not
That's
your
fine.
mom.
That's fine. You can change. It's literally just the first name is changed. I'm sorry. I didn't understand. I didn't know.
What's your middle initial?
That's the boy that had you in the
No, I did not understand that you were asking. I'm sorry. I thought you were asking for the. I thought you were asking for my mom's name.
She gave her mom's number. How old are you?
Sorry.
How old are you?
18.
Okay.
But I was bringing the drink to her. Like, I thought you were asking who the drink was for. You can take my info down. That's completely fine.
She has no idea. Where is your driver's license?
At the house.
Where's the house?
47th, I think.
47th.
Like 5 blocks down.
Alright. You got your notepad. Take her information down.
No, you can. Yeah, you can take. It's literally the same information.
I might have to void the ticket, right?
Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't realize that. I thought you were asking for my mom's info because that's where her drink was going.
What's your name?
Emily.
Emily. Originally you said 01. You're not born in 01, you're 18.
No, my mom.
Your mom's not born in 01 either.
Alright, my
You
mistake.
gave us your
my
birthday
mistake.
though. Yeah. Give it a fake birthday.
Alright, no, I'm not giving fake information. I just really, like, I don't know my mom's information. I'm not
But
giving
your mom's not born in 2001 either. So this is all your mom's info? Your mom's not born in 2001?
You gave us like all scattered out info.
I'm
not giving you fake info. I just, like,
Honestly, it's like perfect.
Stay right here.
The line is so much shorter now.
Alright, well,
I'm really not giving, like, I'm not trying to give you guys fake info. I just, like,
you said you were born in 01 to make it look like you were 21. That's why.
no. 01 is what, 24 now?
Yeah. 05 is.
20. I'm 20.
You just said you were 18.
No. I'm 20.
Do you have anything to drink tonight?
No.
At this time she was placed under arrest on charges of hindering, 2C-29-3A7, and placed in handcuffs. She was transported by Officer Markley to the Sea Isle City Police Department for further processing. At the station she was photographed and correctly identified as 20-year-old Emily Cadence Lupo. She was issued a summonses for having an open container, Ordinance 66.8, and hindering, 2C-29-3A7, before being released pending her court appearance.
I'm 20.
You're not making sense at all.
Alright. Sir, I am sorry. I'm not trying to disrespect you guys at all.
Yeah, no, it's just everything that you're saying, nothing's lining up
Alright.
at all.
Jump.
We just need your real information and you'll be on your
So
way.
we're actually going to get at the station.
If you guys want to walk...
Put your hands behind your back.
Are you being serious?
Hindering
For what?
Gotcha. We're giving fake information.
I'm not giving you fake information. If you guys want to walk back to my house, we can. Like, I have my ID there. Are you being
That's
serious?
not up to me anymore.
Come with us to the car.
Are you being serious or what? For what? I'm not hindering
Small pause here. If you like these videos, hitting subscribe would mean a lot. We're incredibly close to 100K, and your support helps more than you know.
Did you double lock it? Yes. Do you have anything in your pockets?
No.
You have your phone on you?
No.
Alright. I can't see nothing, so we're not gonna do search, but you step back for 1 second. We're gonna bring you in on this side. You're gonna ride back with me, so we're gonna go on this side. You can hop on in. She did that.
What?
Take a seat in there.
Have a seat in
And
here.
then I'm just gonna put the
With
seatbelt
the
on.
seatbelt like that?
Yeah, that's how you're supposed to get in. Alright, you want to ride back with me? You want to just meet me back there then?
Sit.
1065 County.
1055.
Going to be transporting 119, starting mileage 50554.
Copy.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Where are we going?
To the police station.
Yeah, but in Seattle?
That's correct. This is John F. Kennedy Boulevard. 1065 County.
1055.
We're going to be arriving 19.
Court records indicate that on August 14, 2025, Emily pleaded guilty to having an open container, while her hindering charge was downgraded to disorderly conduct. Ordinance 36.2. As a result of her convictions, Emily had to pay a total of $1,066 in fines.
Ending mileage is the same.
Copy.
Going off camera 19.